Hello champ, welcome to Dr. Sucess Classes. Today I am provide the solution, the Kangaroo Mathematics 2023 paper. If you need to take classes from our side or need to take doubt clearing session, previous year question, solution, mock test and study material, you can call on WhatsApp on this number. Okay, so already all you all know that the Sourav Sir Classes is the best institution for any type of mathematical competitive related examination. So this is the best time to take admission in Dr. Source's classes. We can provide the maximum discount on the Kangaroo Mathematics Olympiad entrance course. So we are not same like other institution here. We can provide the solution after detailed analysis of each question. So let's start with question number 8. What will we just say the question number 8? The what is the value of the following sum? Here is the power sum: 2 to the power 0, to the power 2, to the power 3 plus 0 to the power 2. So I can write it again: 2 to the power 0, 3, 2, 0 to the power 2, 3, 2, and 2 to the power 3, 2, 0, and 3 to the power 2, 0, 2. Okay, so here in power sum, in power to the power to the power to the power, that means here we can apply the solving the power session, we can apply the bottom top down approach. That means up to the low level we can solve this power. Okay, so to the power 0 to the power 3 means 8 plus, here the answer will be 0, 0 to the power something can be 0, so directly we can put the answer 0. Sorry, so and 2 to the power 3, 3 into 2 to the power 2 to the power 0 means 1, and 3 into 2 to the power 0 to the power 2 means 0. Okay, so this is the second step. And third step, 2 to the power 0 to the power 8 means 2 to the power 0, and plus 0, 2 to the power 3 means 1, that means 2 cube, plus 3 square means 3 to the power 0 means 3 to the power 1. So 2 to the power 0 means, what will be the result? 2 to the power 0, that means 1 plus 0 plus 8 plus 3. So what will be the answer? Here the correct answer is 12. So option D is here the correct answer. Okay, that's all for today. To more such tricks, share this video, like this video, and share this video to your friends and your family, and stay connected with us to get notification of all our video. Please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. Okay, we'll meet you next session soon. Thank you.